Ever stared at an AI-generated image and wondered, why does that cat have 3 ears? Or watched a video where a character's arm flickers between two positions? It's like the AI knows the rules, but not the why. But what if I told you there's a breakthrough changing all that? Today, we're diving into how reinforcement learning is turning AI from meh to mind-blowing, and why this could revolutionize everything from art to self-driving cars. Let's get into it. Generative AI, like tools that create images, videos, or 3D models, is undeniably powerful. But here's the catch. It's usually trained with static rules. Think of it as teaching a kid to draw by only saying, "Don't go outside the lines." The result? Pretty but not real. For example, an AI might generate a video where a character's face glitches between expressions, or a 3D model where a robot's arm passes through its body. It's technically correct but totally weird. Enter reinforcement learning, or RL. This is the same tech that taught AI to beat chess champions or train robots to walk. But here's the twist. RL doesn't just follow rules. It learns by doing, getting feedback like a student improving with each test. Imagine training an AI not just to draw a cat, but to understand what makes a cat look natural, like how its fur moves or how it interacts with light. The big idea. RL helps AI align with human preferences and real-world logic. Instead of rigid instructions, the AI gets rewards for creating outputs that feel right. For example, in video generation, RL ensures a character's movement is smooth, not jerky. In 3D models, it stops objects from clipping through each other. It's like giving the AI a common sense checkmark. And the numbers. This field is blowing up. In 2019, there were just 13 papers on RL for generative AI. By 2025, we're hitting over 140, a 10x jump in 6 years. This isn't just tech hype. It's a sign researchers are finally solving how to make AI creativity both powerful and aligned with human goals. Let's rewind. RL started as a way to solve sequential decision-making, like teaching a dog to fetch by rewarding it with treats. Early versions were basic, trial, error, repeat. But then, clever scientists started splitting RL into superpowers. First, offline RL, learning from existing data without testing. Think of it as studying old photos to learn photography. Then multi-agent RL, where multiple AIs collaborate, like a team of robots working together to solve a puzzle. And finally, reinforcement learning with human feedback, RLHF, the game changer. Imagine training a robot to walk by giving it real-time cues. Left leg too stiff, balance better, try that again. Instead of brute-forcing solutions, AI gets guided by human preferences. It's like having a personal coach, not just a textbook. Studies show this approach sharpens details. Think smoother camera transitions, more realistic textures, and 3D models that don't warp into abstract art. The results? Outputs that feel human. A video that captures the subtle shift of light across a landscape, or a 3D cityscape where buildings align perfectly. These aren't just visual tweaks, they're game changers. Architects could design structures with AI precision, scientists could simulate complex systems, and creators could generate virtual worlds that feel alive. But here's what's really cool. This isn't just about making things look better. It's about making AI understand what we want. By aligning with human preferences, systems avoid the hallucinations that once made AI art feel disconnected. Imagine a tool that generates personalized art without copying existing works, or a video editor that learns your style without manual input. So the next time you see AI create something stunning, remember, it's not just magic. It's feedback, iteration, and a little bit of human guidance. And as these techniques evolve, we're not just getting better AI, we're building tools that collaborate with us, pushing creativity and innovation further than ever before. Want to see how this works in action? Hit subscribe, and let's unravel the secrets of AI together.